Don't you just wish you didn't have to go to the mall or a department store every time and spend days and weeks looking for that perfect gift? Ever wonder, is there a place out there with a perfect gift idea for any occasion? Well, now you've found Music Box Attic. You like the fact that you can choose any song from their huge list of 500 and more already to-go tunes. But there is one specific song that you must have, and it's not on the list. Don't panic, there's hope. With newer technologies, Music Box Attic is the only company that can take any song, any recording, any file, and make your dream come true. All you have to do is order their custom tune module. You will be able to get that special song in any box you see on their website, or even in a box that you have. Incredibly, you can have this song with lyrics just like you used to hear on the radio, or in an instrumental karaoke style, and even get it converted to sound exactly like a traditional music box. All of this for a very small cost like never before. So imagine this. Your loved one gets a gorgeous handcrafted heirloom keepsake box, opens it, and hears their wedding song, or the song you first danced to on your first date. Don't forget, they can take a voice message, a baby's first words, a wish from your child on Mother's Day, or your own song written and put in this fabulous music box. They will even edit the file professionally to make it sound amazing. Inside the box, add beautiful custom personalized engraving and even get it gift wrapped to create a one-of-a-kind perfect gift like they've never seen before. Here's the kicker. All of this can be done within a day, shipped and delivered right to your recipient's doorsteps, lightning fast, including a 365-day, no questions asked 100% guaranteed, followed by a lifetime warranty. Music Box Attic has been online since 1999 and has 5 stars across dozens of review sites, including an A+ rating with the BBB and 0 complaints. They are experts in their field with thousands of items to choose from. They look forward to meeting your needs because, as they say, this is where gifts come true.